Hello, welcome back to third grade number corner. It is Friday, and I'm super excited to see you guys on Monday. So let's start with our calendar. This is our last week of using this calendar. We'll go back to using it in the morning, and then we'll have our number corner calendar next week for September. So yesterday was the 27th. It was August 27th, 2020. So we need to change this number in the middle, 27. So after 27, we're still in the 20s, but we'll just move that one slot up. So we're going to have 28 instead of 27. So we'll have 28. And we've been talking about the pattern. It's pretty predictable by now. But we have these diagonals going. We only have one to go off on this side. But I'm going to guess that this is a green one because after yellow, we always have green. We can see that in the whole calendar. So we have a green 28 here that we can put on the calendar. And our month is almost filled up. So if we're looking at our date, it is still August. September is coming up soon, but we're still in the 8th month. And then we need to change our day. So right now it says 27. And we need to change it. So all we have to do is erase that 7. Put in an 8. So we have 8, 28, 20. So we have the 8th month, which is August. 28 is our date. That's our day. And 20 is the year. So it is August 28th, 2020. Okay. So we're going to continue doing some practice with adding 3-digit numbers. You started doing that in math. So we're just going to do some extra practice. So I have the trusty die here. I'm going to roll it. Got a 4. So we're going to make 2 3-digit numbers. So we're going to have to roll it 6 times. So I'm going to start with that 4 right here. Have a 2. And then a 5. So we have 4 in that 100 spot, 2 in that 10 spot, and 5 in that 1 spot. So 425. So since we're adding another number, we're going to put that plus sign right here. I rolled a 5. Got another 4 here. And another 4. So this, we have a 5 in the 100 spot, a 4 in the 10 spot, and a 4 in the 1 spot. So 544 is our number. So we're going to put this line at the bottom. That means equals. So on your math assignments, this is probably what it looks like right at the beginning. So I'm going to take a different color. You can use your pencil to do this. But it makes it a lot easier to see when we put a line in between these to show where our hundreds are, where our tens are, and where our ones are. So that way we're not getting confused, and we know that the numbers are always moving down, so we're going to add them down and put our answer right at the bottom here. So we're going to start all the way over here with our ones, and we're going to start counting. So we're starting with a 5 here and a 4 here, so we need to add those two numbers together. We have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if we add 5 and 4, we now know that we get 9. So I'm going to write a 9 down here. The numbers always go straight down. So our next numbers that we need to add are 2 and 4, and that's in this 10 spot. So we're going to put the answer right here in the middle. So 2, another way to count if you don't want to use your fingers, we have 2, and we have 4. We can put 4 dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's another way to count if you don't want to use your hands. So I'm going to do 6 right here. And it always goes straight down. We're just adding these two numbers and it goes straight down at the bottom. Then we have our 100 spot, so we need to add these ones. So 4 and 5. So we have 4, and I'm going to do more dots. So 1, 2, put 4 there, and then put 5. So I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm actually noticing that we have 4 and 5 here and 4 and 5 on this side. So if you remember our fact families that we've talked about before, probably could have guessed that those would be the same answer. So we have 9, 6, 9. 9 is in our 100 spot, so that means we have 900. 6 is in that 10 spot, which means we have 60. And we have 9 in that 1 spot, which would just be 9. So 969. 969 would be the name of that number. So keep practicing how to add those 3-digit numbers, and we'll see you guys on Monday.